You are scrolling through Barndominium builds online, and everything starts looking the same. Rectangle after rectangle, gable roof after gable roof. Then suddenly something stops you cold. A curved, half-moon-shaped metal building sitting on a lush green property with a gravel driveway, floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows wrapping the front, and 2 garage doors tucked into the center like they belong in an architecture magazine. You ask yourself, what is that thing and how much does it cost? That right there is the custom half-moon Barndominium. And in 2026, it is quietly becoming one of the most talked about alternative housing designs in the country. Today I am going to break down everything about this build. What makes it unique, how it works structurally, what the design advantages actually are, what it genuinely costs, and the honest truth about the challenges you will face if you try to build one yourself. Stay with me all the way to the end, because I am saving the most important piece of information for last, and it could save you tens of thousands of dollars on this type of build. Before we get into it, if you are new here, this channel is dedicated to honest, no-fluff content about alternative housing, unique barndominiums, and rural property builds. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss any of our upcoming builds and breakdowns. What is a half-moon barndominium? Most people hear the word barndominium and they think rectangular metal building, simple gable roof, 2 garage doors on one end and a front door on the other. The half-moon barndominium completely throws that playbook out the window. The half-moon design, sometimes called a semicircular or crescent barndominium, is exactly what it sounds like. The exterior footprint of the building forms a half-circle or crescent shape when viewed from above. The flat wall of the semicircle typically faces outward as the main facade, which is where you would place your large panoramic windows, your entrance, and your most dramatic architectural details. The curved portion wraps around the back of the building, creating a natural, flowing silhouette that looks nothing like any other home on the market. This is not a modification of a standard barndo kit. This is a fully custom architectural design that requires an engineer, a custom steel fabricator, and a builder who has experience working with nonlinear metal structures. The curved roofline and walls are built using curved steel panels, radius framing, and in some cases standing seam metal that is roll-formed on site to match the exact curvature of the design. From above, the image you are looking at shows exactly how striking this design is. The dark charcoal gray standing seam metal roof curves around the structure. The 2 wood-paneled garage doors sit centered in a recessed flat section, and floor-to-ceiling glass wraps the front perimeter, giving you panoramic views from every room facing outward. That is not Photoshop. That is what a well-executed half-moon barndominium actually looks like. Why this design is completely unique. In a housing market where everyone is building the same thing, uniqueness has real value, and the half-moon barndominium delivers uniqueness on every level. The panoramic view advantage is unlike anything you can achieve with a traditional rectangular home. Because the living spaces face outward along the curved front wall, you can position your kitchen, dining area, living room, and primary suite all with unobstructed views looking out across your property. If you own land with mountains, water, trees, or wide open country, this design turns your entire front wall into a living picture frame. Traditional homes give you windows. This design gives you an experience. The natural courtyard effect is another feature that sets this design apart. With the flat section of the half-circle facing inward and the curve wrapping around the back, the design naturally creates a protected courtyard or outdoor living space in the center. That recessed section you see in the image, where the garage doors are set back, creates a sheltered area that works perfectly as a covered patio, an outdoor kitchen, or a motor court for your vehicles. This is organic architecture. The shape of the building creates functional outdoor space without adding a single dollar to your exterior landscaping budget. The aerodynamic exterior is not just about looks. The curved structure distributes wind loads more evenly across the surface than a flat wall, which is one reason dome and curved buildings perform exceptionally well in high wind environments. In hurricane-prone states or areas with severe weather, this design has a legitimate structural advantage over traditional rectangular buildings where wind hits a flat wall at full force. The sheer visual impact at the street level cannot be overstated. In 2026, the barndominium market has exploded and dark metal exteriors have become mainstream. Charcoal, black, midnight blue, forest green. These colors are everywhere now. The half-moon design stands completely apart because the form itself is different, not just the color or the finish. This is the only style of barndominium where you can build in a rural area and people will stop their cars to look. The design breakdown. What you are actually building. Let me walk you through what a half-moon barndominium actually consists of from an architectural standpoint. The structure is typically built on a reinforced curved concrete slab that matches the footprint. This is not a standard rectangular pour. You are working with a curved foundation, which requires precise layout work and additional forming costs. Budget approximately 15 to 25% more for your foundation compared to a same square footage rectangular build. The steel framing uses radius bent steel or curved structural members that follow the arc of the design. These are custom fabricated, not pulled off a shelf. Some builders use a series of angled straight sections to approximate the curve, but higher-end builds use genuinely curved steel throughout for a seamless look both inside and outside. The roof is typically standing seam metal, which is ideal for curved applications because the panels run vertically down the slope and can be roll-formed to follow the radius. This is the same material you see in the image. The dark standing seam roof flows continuously from the peak down to the wall line with no visible breaks, giving that clean, seamless look. The flat facade section in the center is where you get your garage doors, your main entry, and often a recessed covered porch. This flat section provides structural contrast to the curve and is typically where the most architectural detail is concentrated. Think large format windows, steel moment frames, custom doors, and dramatic lighting. Interior layout follows the curve naturally. The outer curved wall creates rooms with gently bowed exterior walls, which is part of what makes the interior feel so distinctive. Open-plan living, kitchen, and dining spaces work exceptionally well in this design because the curved perimeter actually draws the eye around the space rather than stopping it at a flat wall. The real cost in 2026, honest numbers. Here is where I have to be straight with you. The Half Moon Barndominium is not a budget build. This is a premium, custom architectural project. Let me give you honest 2026 numbers. A standard barndominium in 2026 runs $65 to $160 per square foot for a basic to mid-range build. Premium turnkey builds run $225 to $350 per square foot based on current builder data. A Half Moon Barndominium adds a significant premium on top of those numbers because of the custom engineering, curved steel fabrication, non-standard foundation work, and the specialized labor required. Realistically, you are looking at a 30 to 50% cost premium over a comparable rectangular barndominium of the same square footage. Here is what that looks like for a 2,500 square foot Half Moon Barndominium. Custom architectural plans and engineering, $15,000 to $30,000. This is not a stock plan you download for $500. You need a licensed architect and a structural engineer who understand curved metal construction. Curved foundation slab, $22,000 to $35,000. More complex formwork, more labor, more precision. Custom steel shell including curved framing, standing seam roof, and custom end wall, $85,000 to $140,000. Assembly by specialized contractors, $25,000 to $40,000. Not every metal building contractor has worked with curved structures, and the ones who have charged accordingly. Shell total, $147,000 to $245,000. Interior finishing at mid-range $120 to $160 per square foot for 2,500 square feet, $300,000 to $400,000. Site costs including well, septic, driveway, and utilities, $35,000 to $65,000. Full turnkey total, $482,000 to $710,000. That is the honest number. You can bring costs down by doing owner-builder work, simplifying finishes, or building in a lower-cost labor market. But if someone quotes you a Half Moon Barndominium at $200,000, walk away because that number is not real. The honest pros. The design exclusivity is unmatched in the barndominium world. You are not building the same thing as your neighbor. This is a one-of-a-kind structure on your property. The panoramic view optimization is genuinely superior to any rectangular home design for properties with beautiful surroundings. Every room on the curved perimeter faces outward. The natural courtyard creation gives you protected outdoor living space built into the geometry of the structure, with no additional construction required. The aerodynamic wind resistance makes this design a smart choice for rural properties in storm-prone areas. The curved surface redirects wind rather than stopping it head-on. The long-term property value in the right market is strong. Custom architectural homes, especially unique ones executed well, tend to hold value better than standard barndominiums in resale situations because they are not directly comparable to anything else on the market. The interior spatial experience is genuinely different from any home you have ever been in. Curved walls create a sense of enclosure and flow that rectangular rooms simply cannot replicate. The honest cons. The cost premium is real and significant. You are paying 30 to 50% more than a comparable rectangular build, and that gap grows as the quality of finishes increases. Finding the right builder is genuinely difficult. Most barndominium contractors work with standard rectangular metal buildings. Curved construction requires specific fabrication experience, and in many rural markets, you may struggle to find a local contractor who has done this type of work. Plan for travel costs or a premium to bring in a specialized crew. Permit complexity is higher than standard builds. Curved structures require more detailed engineering documentation, and some rural counties are not accustomed to approving non-standard architectural forms. Budget extra time for the permit process and consider hiring a permit expediter. Furniture and interior design require more thought. Curved exterior walls affect how furniture can be positioned, and custom built-ins require more precision to fit properly. Off-the-shelf cabinets do not sit flush against a curved wall without modification. Resale pool is smaller. The same uniqueness that makes this building stunning also makes it harder to sell to a buyer who just wants a standard home. Your buyer pool in rural markets may be limited to people who specifically value custom architecture. Future additions or modifications are complex. If you want to expand the building later, adding onto a curved structure is significantly more complicated than extending a rectangular one. The most important thing I promised you. I told you at the start I was saving the most important piece for last, and here it is. The single biggest mistake people make when planning a half-moon barndominium is hiring the wrong architect or taking plans to a standard metal building contractor who has no experience with curved structures. The design is only as good as the team executing it. Before you spend $1 on plans, find 2 to 3 builders who have actually completed curved or non-standard metal building projects, and get them on the phone before the architect even draws a line. The reason this matters is that your architectural plans need to be drawn around the construction methods your builder is actually capable of executing. An architect who designs a beautiful curved building that no local contractor can build correctly is a waste of $25,000. Get your builder on board first, then hire your architect, and have them collaborate from day one. This one step could save you $30,000 to $80,000 in redesigns, change orders, and construction mistakes on a project like this. The half-moon barndominium is the most architecturally ambitious direction the barndominium market has gone. It takes the affordability and durability of metal construction and combines it with genuine architectural vision. The result is a home that does not look like anything else on the market and delivers a living experience that standard barndominium designs simply cannot match. It is not cheap. It is not easy. It requires the right team, a serious budget, and a clear vision. But if you have the land, the resources, and the willingness to do it right, this is one of the most extraordinary places you will ever live. If this video helped you think through the half-moon design, drop a comment below and tell me what you would use the courtyard space for. I read every comment. Like this video if it brought value, and subscribe if you want more honest deep dives into the most unique alternative housing builds on the market right now. See you in the next one.